Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
This question here. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial x square minus 13x plus k such that alpha minus beta equal to 3, find the value of k. Now we know from relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial we know sum of zeros is equal to negative of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, that is leading coefficient. So in this case that is going to be minus of minus 13, so which is equal to 13, and product of zeros equal to constant term divided by leading coefficient, which in this case is k. So sum of zeros, we are given alpha and beta are zeros of given polynomial. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 13 and alpha minus beta is equal to 3, which is given, and alpha beta equal to k. Now we know an identity that we know this identity. Let's do this. A plus b whole square minus 4ab equal to a minus b whole square. So using this identity we can simply put the values of alpha plus beta here. So we have alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to alpha minus beta whole square. Now we have value of alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, and alpha beta we have to find. So let's put the values there. Alpha plus beta whole square is nothing but 13 square minus 4 alpha beta is k, and alpha minus beta whole square is nothing but 3 whole square. So that is 169 minus 4k equal to 9. So we get 4k equal to 169 minus 9, which is equal to 160. So we get k equal to 40. So from here we get value of k as 40. This is the answer.